It's only halfway, cause that pan's small.
Scoop it out!
It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love. Hey, I stack it up, can't get enough. See you shorty with you, she look at me and she blush.
You put yourself in the middle, it's your video. Hey. Welcome back.
You remember Lexi? We have someone new with us today because we're gonna do the deaf, blind, mute.
Deaf, blind, mute.
Deaf, mute, however you put it. We're gonna do that baking challenge. We've already decided who's who. I'm
blind.
I'm deaf. She's mute. So this is gonna happen. We're making a chocolate cake today and we're just gonna see how bad this turns out.
Cuisine.
We're also in the dorm, so if you see somebody walk in, if you see us awkward, maybe a special guest will appear, who knows? I can't hear shit.
Here, let's test it out. What number am I thinking of?
I'm here with walk.
Okay. Are you gonna put something in my hands? What? Is it open? Oh fuck.
Right now?
Is it open? No, I got it. I got this shit.
Should she grease the pan?
Hold that.
You gotta grease the pan.
Well, we're fucking mixing right now, so I don't think we need to grease the pan.
I think Bris already annoyed.
Where's the bowl?
What?
Where's the bowl? Bowl!
It's right here.
Bowl! This is not a fucking bowl. Where's the bowl?
Here. Wait, half a cup? Half a cup? Okay. You're gonna pour half a cup. I'm gonna tell you when to stop, okay?
Me?
Open it. Don't do that.
Oh, it didn't come off.
It's
Wait.
cool.
I got this. Fucking. There you go.
Right here. I'm gonna tell you when to stop.
Is it even pouring?
Wait, stop. How much of this is she pouring? Half a cup? Half a cup of vegetable oil?
Is it half?
That's fucking crazy. Wait, okay, continue.
Wait. Okay.
What?
Bowl.
A napkin?
Bowl.
Oh!
Bowl. Thank you. Come again. It's on my hands. Wipe my hands.
What?
My hand. My hand. Thank you.
That already has oil on it.
What?
You just grabbed it.
Wait, where's the bowl? Is this a bowl?
Wait.
Sip all of it.
What?
I feel like I'm playing in mud. I hope I don't have any rings on. Everything smells like cocoa. Give me an egg.
How many eggs does she need?
Oh, where's the counter?
Pick it up! Put the fucking egg in there! Fuck!
I got this. Y'all ready to see this?
Okay.
High five. Okay. Ow! Kiss it.
Don't touch me with your hands. Your hands are gross. No, you're gonna get your hands dirty again.
What are you doing with my hands? Why do you have them?
What? No.
It's on my dogs.
I just took a paper, wrap my hair in my pen.
Oh,
I was in
no.
between songs. What's on your foot?
Huh?
The song changed, and you said something about your foot.
The batter.
Bitch! Got me in a trance. DJ, turn me up.
Welcome back to Betty Crocker. Was her husband Davy Crockett? We will never know, because he is dead. Dude, I think I'm a fucking chef. Did I get all the yolks? Bris? Oh, fuck, you can't talk. Wait, give me a thumbs up.
Kira the beat.
Okay.
Kira's so sweet. Long hair, she don't care.
What are you doing? Mikayla! Oh, fuck. Wait, what are you doing? Does that look mixed enough, or do I keep going at it?
Take the box over there.
Is it mixed enough? Yes or no?
Is it good?
Is it good? You can see, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Where's the pan?
Is it okay?
Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, get the pan. This is only half of this. Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Here, take the spoon.
Bro, there's people outside staring at us.
Is there really?
And who you with?
That
What's your name?
Pay attention!
What?
You're not helping!
What?
You're not helping!
What do you want me to do?
Help!
You still have stuff in there.
It's only halfway because it only makes half the mix.
Scoop it out.
It's only halfway because that pan's small.
Scoop it out.
That pan, small. This big, little pan.
The only thing I got from that was a square. Pan.
Small.
Decompress.
Small.
Little pan.
Little pan.
Okay.
Batter.
What about it?
There's a lot of it. A lot.
Too much batter?
Yes.
Isn't that cheating?
Are you stupid?
No! Bris texting!
Don't touch. This hand gross. Don't touch.
I got it on!
Where'd you go? Where's the sink? I'm gonna pee myself. I need to wash my hands. This hand washing montage is brought to you by Colgate. Make that smile bright. Bro, I fucking ate this shit up.
All I wanna do.
There's hair else. Okay.
Bro, that's not
Where's the trash
Girl, go away.
Oh fuck, wait. Go this way? I'm gonna find it around here.
Bro, there's still egg everywhere. it. Dollar bill.
I fucking got that shit.
They don't chew me.
I almost hit the camera.
Cause I can't get much longer. That's how long I've been on ya.
I'm so scared. Did we ever preheat the oven?
What? Has the oven beeped yet? It beeped?
Where's the pan?
It's still preheating? Okay. That's a bowl. Stop.
How?
Don't touch it. I'm choking on my gum. Nah, I don't care.
Where's the napkins? Nope. Nope. Napkins, please.
That's how long I've been on you.
Well,
I need you right now.
can I take this off yet?
Wow. Take it off?
You took my glasses.
You need to see with them anyway. You're really fun. Dog, I feel like my eardrums are gonna fucking burst.
Wait.
Oh my god. My music is still playing. Okay. We're gonna wait till the oven is done preheating and then put this bitch in.
Oh,
That's all.
what happened with the egg?
Shut the fuck up. This whole time it hasn't been on?
No!
This whole time it hasn't been on!
No!
You're lying.
No! Lexi, when she was setting the timer, she turned it off. Because it's back at 3:04.
There's no way it's been off this whole fucking time.
Just kind of crispy. She's good.
She's good?
Yeah.
So basically, the cake turned out looking perfect. I'm gonna be honest. And let me see. I don't even take it out.
Besides the fact that I had to pull out an eggshell from it.
Yeah,
It's a clip.
there was an eggshell at the bottom.
Wherever it
So
is.
now we're gonna blindfoldedly decorate our cakes. We each have 2 frostings, and that's what we're gonna work with. So
This
yeah.
is mayo. We ran out of vanilla frosting.
It is not chocolate. You get the vibe. Do I put this over my glasses or like?
I put mine under my glasses. Thanks for literally right on the. Where's your hand?
Right here. Right here. I already got one.
Well, I gave you another one. Wait, where's my? This white. Okay, yeah.
I can't do this.
Okay. Yup. My shit's gonna look so good, guys. Ow, fucker! I'm like trying to focus, but I can't focus on what I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, how you doing?
I don't know if I'm even spreading it on. I think I cut through it.
Don't look at it.
Like, cut through the cake? I think so. I think I fucked it up. I felt something move. Yeah, but fuck.
Man, fuck this chair.
Are we eating each other's cakes or no?
No.
We have to post a picture of it first. The
So
cake,
if I lick my
the
finger,
cake is gonna taste the same regardless. It's just the icing that's different.
Yeah, I know.
the thing is, I'm gonna lick my fingers right now, and I don't want to be touching up on the
Just
cake.
you can eat your own goddamn cake.
What should I decorate it with? Mikayla.
Yeah. Okay, where's my cake? Fuck. I'm a professional baker.
I'm gonna do like different colored sides.
Oh, you have an inspo for your cake?
I know.
I keep holding my mouth open.
Y'all think my cake is gonna fucking look amazing?
Fuck yeah.
Bro, I keep eating this shit.
I know, me too. Fuck.
I don't know where my other. Oh, I found it.
How are you doing, Lexi?
I think I'm doing fucking amazing.
Are you really?
Mm-hmm. My shit looks the best.
I think mine looks amazing.
I should have been napkins. Fuck. I was.
I know where the napkins are. I know where the napkins are. I can do it.
Ah!
I really hope somebody's not coming out there to cook. Because I just heard the elevator.
I thought the elevator was broken.
I did too! Okay. Wait, no. That's not right. You have the blindfold on, Kayla? Are you kidding?
I think I'm done.
I'm not done yet, no assholes.
Michaela, are you done?
You can't take the blindfold off before
I'm
done.
trying to find the napkins.
Michaela, where'd you go?
Right here.
Just trying to find napkins.
I'm right above the sink in my mouth. Oh, I found it.
Can I open my
Can I grab
eyes?
me one? No!
Michaela, are you done?
I think I'm done, bro.
Bro, I think.
Because I can't feel my cake anymore, and I just felt frosting on the table, so I don't even think I got anything on the cake now.
I think mine's the best one.
Do you have your blindfold on?
Yes.
I just touched up all over your face. What the fuck is this?
Hey, I think I won.
Bro, I think I fucking won. My shit looks great.
What the fuck is this? I didn't even get frosting on the side like that.
Bro, why the fuck does Brie, are you fucking cheating?
No! I swear! Look at the cameras!
Bro, I thought I fucking ate this shit up too.
Bro.
It ate me. Look at that.
Guys, we clearly know who the winner is.
Let me take a picture of it. Let me take a picture.
You got a good picture of it? But why did you fucking hit it out of my hand?
Okay, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe if you're new here.
Wait, we didn't do a taste test.
Oh, hold up, hold that thought.
There's
You
so
don't have forks. I'm so upset. Lexi, why would you do that?
She's gonna do too.
You would.
She encouraged me. This is pretty fucking good.
That was sweet as fuck.
We'll eat around the icing.
Okay, back to where I was at. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, hey friends, because you're the only one watching. So, that's all. Make sure to come back